Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. A quick guide to making a thick and colorful acai smoothie bowl at home, with easy steps anyone can follow. How to make a thick and creamy acai smoothie bowl step by step. You do not need a fancy blender or rare ingredients to get a cafe-style result. You just need the right mix of frozen fruit, a small splash of liquid, and a light hand on sweeteners. Essential ingredients for a classic acai smoothie bowl base. Here are the key pieces for a thick, basic acai bowl base. Frozen acai. Use 1 frozen acai packet or 1 to 2 tablespoons of acai powder. Frozen banana adds creaminess and sweetness. 1 small banana is enough. Frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries, or mixed berries give color and flavor. Liquid, just a splash of almond milk, oat milk, regular milk, or even water. Optional add-ins, a spoon of yogurt for extra creaminess, a spoon of nut butter for richness, or chia seeds for more fiber. Frozen fruit is the secret to a thick texture. If your fruit is not frozen, the bowl will turn out thin and soupy, even if you add less liquid. A simple base formula that works for most people is 1 frozen acai packet, 1 small frozen banana, ½ cup frozen berries, 1/4 cup liquid. To start, you can adjust this to taste, but keep the fruit frozen and the liquid low. Blending tips for a thick, spoonable acai bowl. The order you add ingredients can change how well your blender works. Pour the liquid into the blender first. Add the acai packet or acai powder. Add the frozen banana and frozen berries. Add any extras like yogurt or nut butter on top. Start blending on low. If your blender has a tamper, use it to push the fruit toward the blades. If not, blend in short bursts, then stop and stir. Start with very little liquid. If the blender is stuck, add a tiny splash, blend again, and repeat as needed. This slow approach keeps the base thick instead of runny. If you have a weak blender, let the frozen fruit sit at room temperature for 3 to 5 minutes so it softens slightly, or cut it into smaller pieces before freezing. If your bowl turns out too runny, blend in more frozen fruit or a few ice cubes. If the blend is too thick and will not move at all, add a small splash of liquid and blend again until it just starts to swirl. Best toppings for crunch, flavor, and balanced nutrition. Toppings turn a basic purple base into a full, satisfying meal. Good topping ideas include fresh fruit, sliced banana, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, kiwi, or mango. Crunch, granola, chopped almonds, walnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, cacao nibs, or toasted coconut flakes. Extras, a drizzle of peanut butter or almond butter, a small spoon of honey or maple syrup, chia seeds, or hemp hearts. Try to mix fruit with something crunchy so every bite feels interesting. For better balance, keep very sweet toppings, like chocolate chips or extra syrup, in small amounts. Also, do not cover every inch of the bowl in heavy toppings. Leave some of the base showing. This makes it easier to eat and keeps the sugar and calories in check. That's the first part of the guide. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.